welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. And you guys, I have been really churning out these wig videos because I'm into it. I have something in store for you guys. Hopefully y'all are with me on it. I'm trying to get into this wig thing, right? So anyway, I have a wig video for you guys today. So if you're interested to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so y'all already know we stand Amazon on this channel. We love a good unit on this channel. We love a protective style on this channel. So wigs it is. Like, I've been experiencing a lot of hair loss. I don't know if it's just postpartum hair loss or if there's another underlying reason for it. I've been taking a lot of hair vitamins, biotin and all that to try to, to try to kind of help with that because I've been losing a lot of hair. And I've noticed my nails are not as brittle as they were since I've been taking my hair vitamins. So hopefully that'll stop some of the hair loss that I'm experiencing. But with that being said, I've been wearing a lot more of my wigs lately because of that. Just a level of comfort. I'm just not as pleased with my natural hair as I usually am because I've been losing so much of it. So I've been wearing lots of wigs and I've been wearing lots of Amazon wigs. Y'all know I love Amazon. Y'all know I love me some 2-day shipping, some free next day shipping. So I'm all the way here for anything that comes from Amazon, okay? So today I have another beautiful Amazon unit for you guys today. This unit is from Julia Hair. I want to thank Julia Hair for sending me this unit. I love it because it's easily accessible. This is beautiful, real human hair wigs available at your fingertips and not for $400 and $300. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I appreciate Amazon so much and the units that they have available. This is really, really cute packaging. I like the packaging. It's purple and pink. I love that. It says always keeping you young and vitality. Always keeping young and vitality. That don't make much sense, but okay, we'll go with it. Julia Hair, always keeping young and vitality. Okay. And then on the back, here are our tips for 100% human hair lace wigs, how to wash and care for it, and tips and tricks as well. So that's really, really cool how they have that available for you on the back of the box if you need to, help with any of that, right? Y'all know the unit I'm wearing is from Amazon too, so I told y'all we love Amazon. So I took my unit out of the box. Just want to show you what you get in here. Inside here, I've got a wig cap. This is a 2-pack wig cap, and this is in, there's no color on here, but this is typically the color that I would buy for myself. So I appreciate that being in there. And then also I've got an extra elastic band in here. I think that is so cool because I love when they come with these and I don't have to buy them myself. But this one is the cool kind with the bra, like it kind of looks like a bra strap. So these are the fancy ones. Like, these are fancy. I'm not used to the fancy ones, but I think it's very nice that they actually include them in your box. So there's that. Now let's get into the unit because that's really what we're here for, right? So this is I believe it's a 16-inch. I don't know where. Hold on. Y'all know I'll have everything on the screen, of course, all the details and stuff. 16-inch human hair lace wig. And I believe it's in like a body wave. And this is going to be more of an everyday type hair because it's only 16 inches. I say only 16 inches because that's still long to me, but it's 16 inches. It comes in a little net as usual. Oh, the little wave on here is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful body wave there. You see that? Beautiful body wave. So this is like a lace, a lace closure wig. Okay, this is not a lace frontal. This is not a full frontal. This is probably about what is this? Probably about a 4x5 or something like that. But still a very, very nice unit. I love it. You still have enough space here to do like a middle part if you want to, or a side part if you want to. Still enough space to play around with the unit if you wanted to. But there you go. That is what it looks like. Nice color lace. I like the lace color. Very, very nice unit. You can bleach the knots, or you can, you know, spray the lace if you want to. I am going to probably spray the lace if I don't end up like putting concealer or something on it. Here is the Wig Cap Construction. Okay, you got a comb on each temple, right? And then you've got a comb in the nape, which is standard, right? And then you've got the adjustable straps in the back, which I really, really appreciate those, because I use those more than anything. I used to be a real stickler for combs in my wigs. I used to hate if a wig didn't have combs. Now I don't even use them at all because I use my wig grips or the Wig Fix. And so I don't really have that issue anymore. I don't really need to use the combs anymore. So let's try on this baby and see what she looks like. I've been favoring I know I said in one of my last videos that I don't really like the Wig Fix, but there's a learning curve and I had to learn how to use it. So now that I've kind of got it down, I think I know when I can use it and how I can use it. I've been liking it more simply because the Wig Fix can be a little bulky in the, I mean, not the Wig Fix, the wig grips can be a little bulky in the back where the elastic is, and sometimes in the front. And the wig grip, I mean, yeah, the Wig Fix doesn't have that because it's just the silicone. So I've been wearing that one a little bit more, but I still love my wig grips. Don't trip. I have one on right now, and that's y'all about to see it when we try this on. But this is just what she looks like. Beautiful, beautiful unit. So yeah, let's go ahead and try her on and see. It's getting dark, so I need to hurry up. But let's take this off and see. As y'all can see, I have my Wig Fix on. Y'all see how sensitive my edges look? Ugh. And let's try this pretty girl on. The lace on the front is darker than the lace that's on the back. I don't even really know what the lace on the back is even for, to be honest. They probably could have just left that off. But let's try this on and see what we think. My head is about 22.5 inches in circumference. Like around. Ooh, snug fit. Fits really, really nicely. That's why I said this would be real. This is really nice, like everyday hair. Ooh, I love. Okay, hold on. Let me cut this lace off because we might be wearing her out today. I got me some new shears, you guys, from Amazon. And I absolutely love these. I'll link them down below too if you're interested in them. But I love the packaging. They're real fancy. I told y'all I'm about to get fancy with y'all on this hair. So I needed some fancy shears for my wigs. Let me go cut the lace off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and here she is straight out the pack. I just cut the lace off. And this is what she is looking like. I actually love this. The texture is really, really nice. I did experience a little bit of shedding after I cut the lace, not before. There was no shedding before, but you will experience that because when you cut it, you're cutting like the pieces of hair sometimes, and that's what I did. So, but I love the texture. I love the body wave of this. Like I said, this will be perfect everyday hair. You can go in and pluck a little bit if you want to. I don't really think that it's necessary. I mean, because that part is very like, you can see it for sure. So, but yeah, this is what she looks like. Very, very beautiful unit. I love it. This is gorgeous. And like I said, it is a 4x4, so you can like part it to the side if you want to and take a straightening comb, and it is made to go in the middle, so it's going to be a little difficult, but it is a 4x4, so you can come over here with it if you want to and just take your straightening comb and like press it to the side so that you can, and I think that's what I might do because I don't don't know. I just don't know that a middle part always looks the best on me. I think it looks good with curly hair, but for like a more straight texture of hair, I think like a side part looks best. But I love the way this unit fits on my head. It's snug, it's secure, and of course, y'all, I told y'all I don't have the combs in or anything. I just have on my wig grip, which I also got from Amazon. And I just love the way this fits. Again, my head is about 22.5 inches around, and this fits me perfectly. I feel very secure, very comfortable. She doesn't feel too small. I love it. So guys, this is it. I will have her linked down below. I want to thank Julia Hair again for sending me this beautiful unit. She's pretty. Definitely everyday wearable for sure. Oh yeah, see that? That's cute. I'm feeling myself. But yeah, guys, I love it. The texture is so nice. I can just run my fingers through it without getting a whole bunch of hair caught on my fingers. She's beautiful. She feels good. And I honestly could get away with like not tinting my lace, but I'm going to customize it a little bit. But I love her. And I think I'm definitely going to like press her to the side or something. But, or I could just, boop. I could always just do that, you know. But anyway, guys, the possibilities are endless with these units. You can definitely make them your own, do with them what you want to. I love this. So nice. Very neat, very beautiful. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. The sun is getting away from me, so I am going to wrap it up. I will have everything you need to know about this beauty linked down below for you if you want to check her out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are washing your hands, social distancing, all that jazz, and be good to one another. Keep me in your prayers, and I'll keep you in mind. And we'll see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.